Hello guys, maglalaro ako ng Sniper Assassin guys. Sniper 3D. And magano muna tayo ng ano natin. Mission. Ano kaya mission ko? Mission accomplish. Tingnan ko kung maka-accomplish ako ng mission. La 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 la. Yeah. Long distance. Okay, I start my mission guys. Long distance, kill the sniper in the distance. Okay, papatayin ko yung katulad kong sniper. Okay guys, we'll see. Where are you? Nasaan ka na ba? Yun. Di ka naman nagtago ng mabuti. Okay. It's a green. Ibig sabihin, tama yung pag ano mo. Ayan. Please. Okay, I go another. Isa pang mission guys. Take a break. Kill the mastermind. Kill the mastermind guys. Okay. Kill the mastermind and then nasan siya? Asan ka? Asan ka? Oh, ayun. 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 Ayun siya guys. Sa pool ka ngayon ha. Mastermind ka pala ha. Oh. Mission accomplished and then another mission guys. Ayan. Ilang mission kaya to? Dangerous new trend. Take out the other sniper. Oh, okay. Aalisin ko yung mga ibang sniper. Sniper, where are you? Andyan siya sa taas. Okay. One. Oh. Nice. Accomplish. Ayan guys, accomplish na tayo. Ilang accomplish na yun guys. Ayan, prank call yung mission natin ngayon. Knock off the bandits. The bandits. Bandits. Di ko alam. Ay, napakasili-sili ko. Okay, tatlo lang ba? Uy, meron pa pala. Who's coming? Ikaw ha? Ikaw ha? Finish. My last shot. Okay, my last shot is good. Mission accomplished. Yan lang guys. So, ilang accomplished na tayo guys. Ngayon guys, mayroon tayong conflicting opinions. Okay, I start the mission. Conflicting opinions. Kill the armed. The arm, where na? Where? They are running guys. Where are you? Where are you? Siya. Ikaw ikaw pala yun ha. Ayan guys. Level up na tayo guys. Level 8 na tayo sa Sniper 3D. Yay! Okay guys, I get another mission. Remote detonation. I cannot read it. Bakit nababasa? Okay. Ayoko muna. Mag-start mission muna ako. Ayoko. I cancel that. So, I start a mission. I cancel. Remote detonations. Ang hirap naman ito. Ano yun? Hanapin ko yung taong may humahawak ng cellphone. Kasi yun daw yung remote ng bomba. Oh my God. Mission failed guys. Mission failed. Tinira ko yung maling tao. My goodness. Okay. I try this one. I try this time. Oh my God, I'm filled. Unfilled. Nasaan ba yun? Saan ka ba? Ayun. Oh my God, nakatakbo siya guys. Nakatakbo siya. Saan ka? Hindi ka lumabas dito. My goodness. Pawisan na ako ah. Filled pa rin ako doon guys. Kasi nga, tumakbo siya. So, try another chance. This is a third chance. Not second chance, third chance. Kailangan ma-accomplish ko na to guys. Kailangan makita ko siya. Ah, ayun siya guys. Maghahawak ng cellphone. Okay? Okay, sa pool ka ngayon. Yay! Mission accomplished. Thank you guys.